My dog Foxy wants to go out. It was 6:42 a.m. Too early for anything except, apparently, for Foxy, my overly dramatic, curly-tailed dog. She stood by the door, staring at me with her big brown eyes and her ears perked up like tiny satellite dishes. I rolled over in bed. 5 more minutes, Foxy. She whined. Then barked once, politely. Then did the thing where she jumps in a perfect circle and lands with a stump, as if saying, "This is not a drill. I need to go out." I pulled the blanket over my head. Bad idea. A moment later, I felt a wet nose on my face. Then, the ultimate move, she dragged my slipper across the room, dropped it near my face, and stared. Seriously? I groaned. She wagged her tail. I tried to negotiate. What if we just open the window? That's like going out, right? She tilted her head, confused, then bolted to the door and scratched it twice, the code. It meant, "It's time. No excuses. Let's go." Defeated by 12 kilograms of fluff and determination, I got up. As soon as I clipped on her leash, Foxy pranced like she'd won a trophy. Out we went, into the cool morning air. She sniffed exactly the same tree she sniffed yesterday, looked up at me proudly, and gave one happy bark. Mission complete. And somehow, even with no sleep, I smiled. Because when Foxy wants to go out, there's no saying no.